What if I told you that one of this month's trending products made over $58,000 in profit in just 30 days? And wait until you see what kind of product made it happen. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those kind of winning products look like. We're breaking down the top Shopify dropshipping products to sell in November, products that not only are trending on social media, but also proving to bring in high sales. You're going to see the selling prices, the sourcing costs, and exactly how much each dropshipping store is making, all tracked and analyzed using ZIK Analytics. So stick around until the end to see which product generated over $58,000 in profit for its dropshipping store owner. Let's go. Jump in right now. Okay, so let's start our list of the top November dropshipping products with the motorcycle gloves. Check out this video right here in TikTok. As the season gets colder and rain starts affecting the safety of motorcycle riders, staying protected becomes a must, correct? And these gloves can definitely do the job. What I really like about this product is the high engagement on social media. Creating viral videos is just super easy. All you need to do is to show how resistant and durable these gloves really are. And I found this dropshipping store here selling the same product for $79.95. But here's the big question. Is this store actually selling well? You know, Shopify doesn't share sales statistics, but we can find out by using ZIK Analytics store sales tracker. I just copied the store's URL and I pasted it into the tracker and I hit search, and now I can see the full x-ray of the store, and this product was sold 138 times in the past 30 days. Next, let's just check out the profitability. So using the item finder right here, I just clicked here, let it load a little bit, and then we found many options. Look at that. I'm going to go with this one right here, and the cost is only $29.33 with free shipping. So let's just break down the numbers. The product selling price in the dropshipping store is $79.95. The Shopify fees are $2.31, and the product sourcing cost from AliExpress is $29.33. That means that the profit per sale is $48. So with 138 sales, that's $6,624 profit in 30 days before ad and expenses, all right? Before ads like in operation expenses, but still it's absolutely amazing. The next product is the high power jet fan. Check this video out. Look at that. So this video perfectly explains why it's such a great product, especially for colder months, correct? You can clearly see why this could easily become a bestseller in any dropshipping store. So I found this Swedish store selling the same product for 1,585 SEK, which is about $167. Okay, now let's check out the sales. I did the same thing in the store sales tracker. I can see that this product sold 35 times in the past 30 days. And then sourcing, I just click here, I clicked here and then I found the same exact product on AliExpress, and the price, my friends, only $24.96 with amazing reviews. So that means that the store makes about $136 profit per sale, and with 35 sales, that's around $5,475 profit in a single month. Wow. So what do you think about these first two products on the list so far? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts, all right? If you find this video useful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe to our channel. Guys, we're getting close to 100,000 subscribers. Help us get there. Also, if you want to use the same tools that I'm using for deep product research and store analysis, you can try ZIK Analytics for just $1 for your first week. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. All right, next up is the Igloo cat bed. All right, look at this video. So basically, this is a must-have for cat owners because it's cozy, it's cute, and absolutely trending on social media right now. And I've seen a clear spike in both engagement and sales for these types of cat beds as temperature starts to drop. All right, and here's the great example. This store right here selling this product for $34.99, which I'd say it's a solid price. It's a fair price, even a bit low for a product like this. So let's check the sales using ZIK Analytics store sales tracker right here, and I can see look at that. I can see that this product was sold 17 times in the past 30 days. It's not a huge number, but this type of product usually spikes as the weather gets colder. And yes, I found the same product on AliExpress, only $12.20 with free shipping. So that gives us around $21.50 profit per sale. And with 17 sales, we're talking about $365 profit in 30 days. It's not bad for a cozy seasonal item that, that's only heating up as winter approaches. All right, so then don't go anywhere because we have so many cool products still. All right, the next two products are, I would say, more Christmas related. And right now is the perfect time to add them to your store. That way buyers can receive their orders before the holidays and just feel confident that they got a great Christmas gift ready for their loved ones. So this one right here is this LED string lights. Okay. So this is a must-have product to decorate homes for Halloween and for Christmas. And during this time of year, wow, the demand for this product right here just like rises sharply. So why not sell it in your dropshipping store? So here's an example of a dropshipping store selling this product right here for $21.95 with shipping. All right. And after scanning the store with ZIK Analytics store sales tracker, I saw that this product was sold 71 times in the past 30 days. Now, I also found the exact same product on AliExpress for only $6.62 plus $1.99 for shipping. So, it's a good deal for me because it brings the total sourcing cost to $8.61. So let's talk about profit. The selling price is $21.95. The sourcing cost from AliExpress is $8.61. And the profit per sale is $12.40. With 71 sales in the past month, that's $880 profit in a single month, all from one simple seasonal product that sells itself during the holidays, all right? So the next product in our list is the Christmas thermal cup. All right, and actually I do love these types of products. You can see here in the video, it's pretty cool. And if you really want to feel like the holiday season has officially started, just grab one of these themed Christmas products. It like instantly brings the cozy festive feeling. Now I found a dropshipping store selling this product, the same one, for $15 per shipping, which adds up to $23.95. And after scanning the store using the ZIK Analytics store sales tracker, I found that this product was sold 79 times in the past 30 days. For sourcing, I was able to easily find the same product on AliExpress for $5.63 plus $8.26 for shipping, which brings a total cost to $13.89. That means that this store is profiting about $9.30 per sale, and with 79 sales, my friends, that's $734 in monthly profit, all from one simple feel-good seasonal product that sells perfectly for the holidays. Okay, are you ready for the last product in our list? One that's guaranteed to make you say like, wow, once you see the sales behind it. So meet the Snap camera right here. Watch this video with me. So this tiny camera shoots 4K video quality, and you can even add accessories like waterproof case and much more. It attaches to a magnetic necklace, giving you a true point of view recording experience. You know what I mean? And with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas season right around the corner, this product is set to become one of the hottest sellers of the season. No joke here. I am dead serious. Now, I found this one product dropshipping store selling the same camera for $100.20, including a 64 gigabytes memory card. So let's find out how this store is actually performing. I did the same thing. I copied the URL and then I pasted into ZIK Analytics store sales tracker. And there you have it. Look at this. This is a one product dropshipping store that has sold 1,229 units, generating over $125,000 in sales revenue. All right, one product only, and this is just gonna sell even more as we approach the end of the year. All right, and I found the exact same camera on AliExpress, even with more memory, for just $48.99 with free shipping. That's less than half of the price what the dropshipping store is selling for. You understand that? So after using the same formula as before, the profit per sale is $47.73. And with 1,229 sales, that's $58,660 profit in just 1 month. Guys, this is massive. This is a massive opportunity. Just take a few minutes after this video to add this product to your dropshipping store. It's the perfect time to ride the holiday wave with a product like this one. Please do it and let me know how it goes. So there you have it, the top Shopify dropshipping products to sell in November, all backed by data. No guesswork here, my friends. From high demand seasonal items like motorcycle gloves and LED string lights to snap cameras that just pulled over $58,000 profit in 30 days. These products prove that with the right timing and research, big results are possible, okay? So if you've been waiting for the perfect moment just to launch or scale your store, this is it. This is it. Take advantage of the holiday demand, apply what you've learned, and start testing one of these products today. If you found this video helpful, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost there, almost 100,000 followers, man. Help us get there. Thanks so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.